Yes, sir. If you are here as a visitor or illegally, you have no due process. That's
Hello, everyone. This is Dave at 82. As per Constitution annotated on the Congress.gov website, constitution.congress.gov, you can browse it and go to AMDT 5.5.1 Overview of Due Process. The first section basically goes into time of war in some situations. But it starts off, the Fifth Amendment provides that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process. And that is Constitutional Amendment 5. Generally, due process guarantees individuals the rights by limiting the exercise of governmental power. That you can find a better definition under Black's Law Dictionary, page 610 of the 10th edition, 2014. Blah, blah, blah. If federal government seeks to deprive person of protected life, liberty, or property interest, the individual's amendments due process clause requires the government first provides certain procedural protections, and that can be found referenced, footnotes referenced are Morrisey versus Brewer, 408 U.S. 471, 481, 1972. Cafeteria and Restaurant Workers Union versus McElroy, 367 U.S. 885, 895, 1961. Procedural due process often requires government to provide persons with notice and an opportunity for a hearing before such deprivation. And that footnote references 20 versus New Jersey, 211 U.S. 78, 110, 1908, and Jacob versus Roberts, 223 U.S. 261, 265, 1912. So there's your basic Fifth Amendment. They are everybody's due. And the Fifth Amendment's due process clause protects all persons. It doesn't say citizens, it says all persons within U.S. territories, including corporations, and I'm using their words here, aliens, and presumptively citizens seeking readmission to the United States. However, the states are not entitled to due process protections under federal law government. So basically, United States can't get due process with the federal, against the federal. A lawyer could better define that one. But yeah. And aliens is defined, I guess it's in Wong Wing versus United States, 163 U.S. 228, 238, 1896. Corporations is sinking fund case, 99 U.S. 700, 719, 1879. And readmission is, the readmission is United States versus Jutoy, 198 U.S. 253, 263, 1905. Quan Poi versus Johnson, 273 U.S. 352, 1927. Okay, and now let's go over to traceports.org. And as per traceport.org, as of in detention on June 1st, 2025, June 1st, 2025, is 51,302. Out of that, of ICE immigration detainees have no criminal records, 43.7%, and that was as of June 1st. So 22,438 out of 51,302 do not have a criminal record. Texas is the state with the most ICE detainees in fiscal year 2025, and that's as of May 27, 2025, and that was 12,511. Louisiana is 7,263. California is 3,184. Georgia is 2,749. Arizona is 2,468. People booked into ICE detention during May of 2025 was 28,797. ICE arrest was 23,564, and CDP, Custom and Border Protection, arrested 5,233 of the 28,797 people booked into the ICE detentions during May. ICE detainees in Adams County Center, which is in Natchez, Mississippi, held the largest number of ICE detainees so far in fiscal year 2025, averaging 2,168 per day as of May 2025. Then you have 185,824 monitored through ICE ATD program, which is all ICE alternatives to detention ATD programs are currently monitoring 185,824 people, families, and single individuals, according to data current as of May 31st, 2025. And yeah, it was up in September 22. Yeah, 22. San Francisco leads the country in the most ICE ATD programs. San Francisco area office has the highest number of ICE alternative to detention ATD monitoring programs, according to data current as of May 31st, 2025. Okay, the area of operation is San Francisco monitors 20,434. Chicago monitors 19,854. Miami is 16,835 monitored. Los Angeles is monitoring 15,885. New York is monitoring 12,682. Those are the catch and release that they're talking about, but that's the breakdown of that. Court, let's see what the court says. New court cases as of fiscal year 2025, 3,704,264. And that's as of April 2025. This compares to 533,767 cases that court completed during this period. Based on alleged criminal activity is 1.32%. According to the court records, only 1.32% of fiscal year 2025 new cases sought deportation orders based upon alleged criminal activity of immigrants apart from possible illegal entry. Court cases closed in fiscal year 2025, 533,767. That was as of April. Cases of immigration court backlog, 3,585,101 as of April 2025. Asylum backlog is 2,112,522 as of April 2025. Miami-Dade is leading that at 152,407. Immigrants ordered deported by immigration judges this year, 258,389. Immigrants ordered to remove by immigration, 46,767. Immigration to April 2025. What's the difference? Oh, this year and then month of April. And immigrants granted relief immigration by judges is April 2025 is 3,530. Most deportees was to Mexico, then 55,000, just over it. Honduras 39, such and such. Thank you for your time. Like, share, follow, and remember you are loved no matter what you do. But you can find that on traceport.org. Thank you.